Okay, umkhosi womhlanga kusuka ila kahle kahle njengoba kuyinyanga yaka September, kuyinyanga yamasiko sizuke sizobungaza usiko lethu thina lwakaZulu ezisiyintombi sizophatha umhlalo siyoshiya lapha kubayede ngaphakathi esikolweni.
Yakithi kwamalandela ubesibindi kuthelezi akuthatha umntakandaba bemthuka bemqabafuna
I must say, we are not begging anyone, asking anyone to agree with our culture. It is ours. It's none of their business. I don't remember as indigenous people imposing to all the ethnic groups here in South Africa to do what we like about their culture.